Stay connected to your home, alert to every movement, anytime. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Today we're checking out the Tapo C211 PanTilt home security Wi-Fi camera, which delivers sharp 2K Ultra HD video for clear and detailed monitoring, featuring smooth 360-degree pan and 114-degree tilt coverage, smart motion detection, night vision, two-way audio, and easy Wi-Fi setup, allowing you to see, hear, and communicate with your home anytime, all directly from your smartphone. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Tapo C211 PanTilt camera, DC power adapter, mounting screws, mounting template, quick start guide, technical specifications. The Tapo C211 comes equipped with a 1/2.8-inch progressive scan CMOS sensor, featuring an f2.0 aperture and a 4mm lens, delivering sharp and detailed indoor footage. It records in crisp 2K 3-megapixel resolution at 2304 by 1296 pixels, giving you clear live streaming and playback. With smooth 360-degree horizontal pan and 114-degree vertical tilt, it covers virtually every corner of your room. For nighttime monitoring, it uses 850-nanometer infrared LEDs with up to 30 feet of visibility in low-light conditions. The camera uses H.264 video compression for efficient storage and smooth performance, capturing footage at up to 15 frames per second. It also features a built-in microphone and speaker with two-way audio and noise cancellation, so you can communicate clearly from anywhere. For storage, it supports microSD cards up to 512 gigabytes for local recording. Smart motion and person detection send instant notifications straight to your phone, while customizable activity and privacy zones give you full control. It connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with secure WPA and WPA2 encryption and works seamlessly with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for convenient voice control. Product features. The motorized pan and tilt function allows the camera to rotate smoothly from side to side and move vertically, giving you complete room coverage. You can remotely control the viewing angle through the app, making it easy to monitor every corner without needing multiple cameras. With sharp 2304 by 1296 resolution, the camera captures clear and detailed video, allowing you to recognize faces, objects, and important activity more accurately than standard 1080p cameras. It also provides crisp live streaming and playback. Advanced detection technology can distinguish between general movement and human activity, reducing false alerts. When motion is detected, instant push notifications are sent directly to your smartphone so you can respond quickly. The built-in microphone and speaker allow real-time communication. Whether you're talking to family members, calming a pet, or warning an intruder, you can speak and listen clearly through the mobile app from anywhere. Product overview. The Tapo C211 provides 360 degrees coverage and stunning 2K HD video, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed in your home. Its intelligent design features a hidden microSD slot for secure local storage and smart motion tracking to follow every move in real time. With advanced night vision and two-way audio, you stay connected and protected day and night. The system LED shows status. Solid red means starting up. Red and green blinking means ready for setup. Slow red blink means connecting to Wi-Fi. Solid amber means Wi-Fi connected. And solid green means cloud connection. Fast red blinking means camera resettings, and fast green means camera updating. App connection. Start by downloading the free Tapo app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either log into your existing TP-Link account or create a new one to get started. In the app, tap Plus to add a new device. Select the Tapo C211 indoor security camera and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you to connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi network and sync it with your phone. After pairing, the app will confirm the indoor cam is connected. You can then customize settings, test the live video feed, enable motion detection alerts, and try two-way audio to make sure everything works properly. How to install. Select an indoor position that gives you a clear, wide-angle view of the room, such as a living area, hallway, nursery, or entry point. Avoid placing it directly facing bright windows or reflective surfaces, as glare can reduce image clarity. Make sure the location is close to a power outlet and within strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi range for stable performance. If you prefer not to drill, simply position the camera on a flat and stable surface, like a shelf, desk, or countertop. Ensure it sits securely to prevent vibrations or accidental movement. Adjust the tilt and angle carefully so the lens captures the most important areas without obstruction. For a more permanent setup, use the included mounting template to mark the screw positions accurately. Drill the holes, insert the anchors if needed, and secure the mounting screws firmly. Attach the camera to the mount and fine-tune the viewing angle to achieve the best coverage of your space. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved power sources. Protect from water and moisture. Clean gently. Mount securely. Keep firmware and software updated. Product comparison. The Tapo C211 stands out with its motorized 360-degree pan and 114-degree tilt, which lets you remotely rotate and tilt the camera to cover nearly every angle of a room. You can control its direction from your phone, reducing blind spots and the need for multiple cameras. In contrast, the Tapo C100 has a fixed wide-angle lens, so it only monitors a set field of view and cannot be repositioned after installation. Both the C211 and C100 deliver crisp 2K Ultra HD video, giving you sharp and detailed footage for live viewing and recordings. However, the C211's pan and tilt functionality makes it more flexible for tracking activity across a larger space, while the C100's static view works well for focused monitoring of a specific area like a doorway or a hallway. The Tapo C211 supports smart motion detection along with dynamic tracking within its pan/tilt range, so it can follow moving subjects as they shift across the room. The Tapo C100 also offers motion and person detection with customizable activity zones and instant notifications, but it does not have the ability to automatically follow movement, since it stays fixed in one position. Pros and cons. The Tapo C211 PanTilt camera delivers 360-degree pan and 114-degree tilt with 2K Ultra HD video, smart motion and person detection, two-way audio, night vision up to 30 feet, and support for microSD storage and voice assistants like Google and Alexa. It lets you remotely control the camera, set custom activity and privacy zones, and receive instant alerts on your phone. While it only uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, has a 15 frames per second max frame rate, is indoor only, and requires constant power, it still offers flexible coverage, reliable monitoring, and smart features, making it a highly practical and affordable option for keeping your home safe. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.